Are you feeling disconnected from your partner, like the spark that once burned bright has fizzled out? Do you struggle with intimacy insecurities, feeling self-conscious or uncertain about your body? Or perhaps you're simply looking for a way to reignite the passion and excitement in your relationship. If you're experiencing any of these challenges, you're not alone. Many couples face similar struggles, and it's not uncommon for relationships to become stale or stagnant over time. The spark is gone is a common phenomenon, where the excitement and passion that once drove your relationship has given way to routine and familiarity. Intimacy insecurities can also be a major obstacle, making it difficult to feel comfortable and confident in your own skin. And for some, the pressure to perform or meet expectations can lead to a sense of disconnection and isolation. But what if you could reignite the spark, overcome your intimacy insecurities, and deepen your connection with your partner? What if you could create a sense of safety, trust, and vulnerability, allowing you to be your authentic self and connect with your partner on a deeper level? This video is designed to help you do just that, by guiding you through a sensual massage experience that will help you reconnect with your partner and rediscover the intimacy and passion that's been missing from your relationship. In this video, we'll take you on a journey of discovery, exploring the art of sensual massage and the ways in which it can help you connect with your partner on a deeper level. We'll guide you through a series of gentle, flowing strokes designed to awaken your senses and melt away tension and stress. And we'll provide you with tips and techniques for creating a peaceful and relaxing environment, perfect for a romantic evening or a special treat for your partner. One of the best ways to enhance the sensual massage experience is by incorporating fragrant oils. These oils not only add a luxurious touch to the massage, but also have specific benefits that can help you and your partner relax and connect more deeply. Let's explore some of the most popular oil fragrances and their benefits. Number 1. Lavender oil is renowned for its calming and soothing properties. It's often used to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety, making it an excellent choice for a sensual massage. The gentle floral scent of lavender can help create a peaceful atmosphere, allowing you and your partner to unwind and let go of stress. Number 2. Ylang-ylang oil is known for its exotic and sensual fragrance. It's said to enhance mood and promote feelings of joy and well-being. This oil can help create a romantic and intimate atmosphere, making it perfect for a sensual massage. Ylang-ylang is also believed to have aphrodisiac properties, which can help to ignite passion and desire. 3. Sandalwood oil. Sandalwood oil has a rich woody scent that is both calming and grounding. It's often used in meditation and spiritual practices to promote mental clarity and inner peace. In a sensual massage, sandalwood oil can help you and your partner feel more canted and present, allowing for a deeper emotional connection. Number 4. Jasmine oil has a sweet floral scent that is known to uplift the mood and enhance feelings of love and attraction. It's often used in perfumes and cosmetics for its romantic and alluring qualities. During a sensual massage, jasmine oil can help create a sense of warmth and intimacy, making it easier for you and your partner to connect on a deeper level. Number 5. Rose oil is one of the most popular and beloved fragrances in the world. It's known for its soothing and comforting properties, as well as its ability to promote feelings of love and affection. Rose oil can help create a romantic and nurturing atmosphere during a sensual massage, allowing you and your partner to feel more connected and cared for. Firstly, to create the perfect sensual atmosphere, start by choosing a quiet and comfortable space where you and your partner can relax without interruptions. Dim the lights and use soft, warm lighting to set the mood. Candles also help create a warm and sensual atmosphere. Play some calming music in the background, something that both of you enjoy and find soothing. Next, prepare your massage oils. Choose a base oil like almond, jojoba, or coconut oil, and add a few drops of your chosen fragrant oil. Gently mix the oils together, ensuring that the fragrance is well distributed. Set up a comfortable massage area with pillows and blankets, and make sure the room is warm enough for your partner to feel comfortable and relaxed. You can also use a diffuser to spread the scent of your chosen oil throughout the room, creating an even more immersive sensory experience. To begin, Lay your partner naked and face down. Sometimes a material blindfold applied over the eyes will cause the other senses to become more acute. Then start by gently applying the oil to your partner's skin, using long, flowing strokes. Start at the shoulders and work your way down the back, focusing on areas where tension tends to accumulate, such as the neck, shoulders, and lower back. Use your fingertips to apply gentle pressure and pay attention to your partner's reactions. Ask them if they prefer more or less pressure and adjust your touch accordingly. As you continue the massage, encourage your partner to breathe deeply and focus on the sensation of your touch. Remind them to let go of any thoughts or worries and simply be present in the moment. You can also incorporate other sensual elements into the massage, such as soft kisses, gentle caresses, and whispered words of love and appreciation. This will help create a deeper emotional connection and make the experience even more meaningful and intimate. Remember, take your time, enjoy the moment, and have fun. As you come to the end of this sensual massage experience, take a moment to notice how you're feeling. Depending on how the massage went, your heart is beating like a stampede of wild horses or completely at peace, which is totally fine either way because you now have a deeper connection with your partner. Remember that intimacy is a journey, not a destination, and that it's the small everyday moments that can bring the greatest joy and connection. By incorporating sensual massage into your relationship, you can reignite the spark, overcome intimacy insecurities, and deepen your connection. And sometimes it's okay to also just have some fun with your partner. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope you'll continue to explore the art of sensual massage and intimacy in your relationship. As you go forward, remember to be patient and kind to yourself and your partner. Intimacy is a journey, and it's okay to take things slow and focus on the present moment. Don't be afraid to communicate your needs and desires, and to listen to your partners as well. And most importantly, remember to have fun and enjoy the process of discovery and exploration. With sensual massage and intimacy, the possibilities are endless, and the rewards are well worth the effort. Cherish the moments of connection, as each touch and whisper brings you closer, nurturing your bond and rediscovering each other in profound ways. If you enjoyed tonight's video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for your time. Good night.